Align the handles with the slot at the front of the air fryer basket and push down until this clicks into place. Repeat for the second air fryer basket. The handles are not designed to be removed once attached to the air fryer baskets. Press the power button to switch on the air fryer. The LED display will show 1 and 2, indicating the air fryer is ready to be programmed. Use the digital control panel to set the cooking time and temperature as required for the ingredients. Time and temperature settings can also be set using the preset functions, which automatically cycle between time and temperature presets for cooking various foods when selected. For more information, please refer to the preset function chart in the instruction manual. These presets can then be adjusted using the time and temperature buttons. Some ingredients may require shaking halfway through the cooking time. Remove the cooking compartments from the air fryer main unit using the cooking compartment handle. Shake the cooking compartments gently and then slide back into the air fryer main unit to continue cooking. Once cooking is complete and the preset time has elapsed, the air fryer will beep several times and switch off. Check whether the ingredients are ready. If the ingredients are not cooked, close the cooking compartment and replace back into the air fryer main unit. If the food is cooked, remove from the air fryer using a pair of heat-resistant tongs. When cooking different foods in each compartment with different times and temperatures, use the sync finish setting so that both compartments finish cooking at the same time. Press compartment button 1 and set the required settings, following the instructions in the section entitled Using the Control Panel. Repeat for the second cooking compartment by pressing compartment button 2. Press the sync button. The button will flash to signal that the setting has been selected. Press the Start/Pause button to begin cooking. Use the Match Cook setting when using both cooking compartments to cook the same foods. Cooking will finish at the same time for both compartments. Press compartment button 1 or 2 and set the required settings following the instructions in the section entitled Using the Control Panel. Press the Match button. The button will flash to signal that the setting has been selected. Press the Start/Pause button to begin cooking. The baskets, grill trays and cooking racks are all dishwasher safe, but we would still recommend to wash with a damp cloth. We recommend shaking the baskets during use to ensure even cooking. If the cooking rack is inserted, this must be removed before shaking the baskets.